Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Capturing Guys. In this video, I'll talk about how a voice control can be used in GoPro Hero 7. Well, this is one of my viewers' requests to show how GoPro Hero 7 voice control can be used. Okay, but I'm gonna use even for this GoPro Hero 8 as well as for GoPro Hero 7. I'm gonna show you for both the models how voice control can be used. So if you have not watched my in detail review for GoPro Hero 8, so I'll provide that in the description. I'll also provide the description for GoPro Hero 7 in detail review. So please do watch for more information on GoPro Hero 7 and 8. Let's see which model has got better voice control. Let's get into the video. I have a GoPro 8 and 7 silver. Now I'm already on voice control mode, which is like voice control on. Both have, let me go back and show you. If you see here, both are in video mode only. Both are in 4K and video mode. Okay, so let me go to preferences. So there are a list of commands here. It's mentioned as capture, stop capture, all these things is mentioned here. But if you say just capture and all, it doesn't capture. GoPro capture. So if there is a pause, it will not capture. So if I say one single word, GoPro capture, both started at same time. So let me stop the recording and go back to this. So we'll go back to again commands. So the first command worked perfectly for both the models. So this is silver and this is 8 black. Well, there is no other color in this, only one model in 8. We'll see this time start and stop both the functions. Okay, so now I'll say GoPro start recording. Okay, both have started same time. GoPro stop recording. Wow, that's fantastic. So let me use other options. Normally we don't use this, but still I'll show you that. Both has the same commands. There is no change in commands. I don't find any different things here. Just that one or two commands are like shuffled. Apart from that, everything is same. Let me say command GoPro take a photo. So in this I see 7 is faster than 8. GoPro burst mode. Seven did not even start. GoPro burst mode. It's 8 is again activating but not 7. If you see, there is a command burst mode in 7, but that is not working. GoPro start time lapse. Both are same time, almost same, maybe 0.01 second. Maybe GoPro 8 is faster than 7. GoPro stop time lapse. 8 is little faster than 7 in this time lapse. So let me check the last one. GoPro turn off. Okay, 8 is faster and 7 takes little 1 second, I think 0.01 second. So this is all about GoPro voice control commands. How we can use the commands to operate GoPro without touching, just by voice itself. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.